everyone, I'm Amog and I'm a student of Vedam School of Technology. Today, I'll be taking you to a tour of our DY Patil campus and show you where the Vedam magic is happening. You'll get a peek into our classrooms, innovation labs and spaces which make students' life really exciting. So let's go. This is where the Vedam's first academic year is happening, the DY Patil campus. It is huge. You've got green spaces for walks, multiple canteens, well-stocked library, sport grounds and labs all around. As a Vedam student, you have access to all these facilities. It makes a student's day really vibrant because you're not just stuck in a building, you have full university environment. So we are at D Cafe, here students are eating their lunch. We have multiple variety of food from Nescafe to muffins to cold coffees to misal pav to vada pav. Each and every dish is a fab. Let's try. So guys, our cappuccino is ready and it looks yum. Let's try. Fab. So now let's head into our Vedam spaces inside the campus. This is where the actual magic happens. So let's go. So finally, we are at the Vedam floor. And now is the time to explore. Let's go. This is our lecture theatre. And we use it for bigger sessions like mentor sessions, workshops, guest talks and whatnot. This is the place where the whole batch can gather at once. So basically, Vedam has two main classrooms, Classroom 2 and Classroom 3. Day-to-day learning, AI curriculum and group activities. It all starts here. And this is our favorite spot, the Hive. It is an open classroom where we run club activities, brainstorming sessions, coding sprints, or just chillax between our lectures. Basically, it is our creative hub. Next up is the Guide Hub. This is where our faculty conducts doubt-solving sessions. You can just drop in anytime, get one-on-one help, or even brainstorm your project roadblocks with the mentors. It makes learning way more personal. So now is the time for the most awaited part, the Innovation Lab. The Innovation Lab is divided into zones, the AI zone, the Robo Station and the Drone Dog. We have got Mac Studios, drones and even a Robo Dog. Soon we'll be building our own AI and robotics projects here. And if your startup idea is really solid, you can even get a funding up to 1 crore rupees from Vedam itself. For a student, it is a dream playground. It's only been 60 days, but it's been intense and exciting. From day one, we started coding and not just theories. We've had multiple mentor sessions from people working in top tech companies, AI tools workshop, and even entrepreneurship events. To be honest, what really surprises me is that how approachable everyone here is. The faculty, mentors, and even the founders. They constantly keep a check on what we are building and how we are doing it. I have made friends from across India, people who are interested in AI, system, robotics, startups, and even content creation. I think we have already got a tribe full of builders. So this was a quick tour of our DY Patil campus, our Vedam spaces, and a quick glimpse of my first 60 days here. If you're curious at how Vedam blends AI-first learning, vibrant student life, and the innovation lab, keep following our journey. Soon, we'll be posting more stories, events, and if you like this video, please do share, hit the like button, and subscribe to the official Vedam channel. Till then, peace out.